Hi, dear students, computer organization and architecture. In this particular subject, we got one question in GATE 2024, which is related to size of the instruction. So let us see that question. So this is the question, which is the question number 27, a numerically answered type question. A machine has 32-bit architecture with one word long instructions. It has 24 registers and supports an instruction set of size 40. Each instruction has 5 distinct fields, namely opcode, 2 source registers identifiers, 1 destination register identifier, and an immediate value. Assuming that the immediate operand is an unsigned integer, its maximum value is dash. So how to solve this type of question? This type of questions many times I have solved in YouTube sessions and live app sessions. Okay, so let us see now how to solve this question in the real time. A machine has 32-bit architecture. So 32-bit architecture means the size of the instruction. The size of the instruction, it is a solution I am writing here. The size of the instruction is 32-bit. Size of the instruction is 32-bit. Each instruction has 5 distinct fields. So the number of distinct fields, is 5. Okay. So first of all, we have to take the shape as 5 fields. So this is field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, okay, 5 fields, and these 5 fields are namely as opcode. So this is the opcode. Next, 2 source register identifiers. So these are source register identifiers, 2 source register identifiers and 1 destination register identifiers. So let us take this is a source register identifier R1. Let us take R2, the R3. Next, and an immediate value. So this is the immediate value. The immediate value. So now if you see, assuming the immediate operand is an unsigned integer, its maximum value is dash. So what is information has given? It has 32-bit architecture. It has 24 registers. 24 registers. So here I can write now the number of registers is 24. The number of registers is 24. The number of registers is how much? 24. Okay. So that means how many number of bits are required to represent each register? That means the 2 power m, if I take, the m should be more than that of that. So m is equal to 5. If you take, it is going to come 5 bits. With 5 bits you can represent only 32 registers. So if you take 4, 2 power 4 is 16. 16 means you are not getting 24 registers. So that's why we have to go for 32-bit registers. So m should be 5. So m should be 5. So size of register field is 5. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. So 3 5s are 15 ho gaya. Next, so what is the size of this instruction? The instruction size is given as 32-bit. The instruction size is given as 32-bit. The instruction size is given as 32-bit. Okay. So the opcode size ke liye what is the information? It has an instruction set of size 40. So the number of instructions is 40. So what I can give here? The number of instructions is 40. The number of instructions is 40. Okay. So when the number of instructions is 40, that means number of opcodes is also 40. Number of opcodes is 40 means what is the size of the opcode? Size of the opcode, how to find out? That means the number of bits required. Same procedure, 2 power n should be greater than 40. So n should be equal to how much? 5 means 2 power 5, 32. 6 is the best option, so we can take as 2 power 6 is, so n is equal to 6 here. So if you total sum up 3 5s are 15 plus 6, it is going to become 21. So the immediate size is how much now? That is a question. So that is going to come as what? So the size of the immediate will be how much now? Check the size of the immediate. Answer is coming as how much? 11. Okay, so this will be the 11. That is the answer. Huh? No, that is not the question asked. So the question asked is not that. The question asked is this. Okay. So 6 3 5s are 15 plus 6 21. So the size is, immediate operand size is 11. But the question asked is what? Assuming that the immediate operand is an unsigned integer, its maximum value is asking. So with 11 bit, what is the maximum? 2 power 11. 2 power 11 means 2 power 10 means 1024 into 2, 4028. 1024 into 1024 into 2, 4048. Am I right? 4048. Sorry, 2048. Sorry. See, how to do is 2 power 10 into 2 power 1, 2 power 10 is 1024, 1024 into 2. So it is 2048. But if you see the range if you see maximum range, that will be plus 02 understand na? So 02 plus 2047, 2048 numbers. So 2048 is the number of what is the maximum number that it can go. But if you see the unsigned integer representation means it is 0 to max. So the maximum number is 20. So the maximum number plus 20, the 207 is the right answer. So for this question, the right answer is 20 plus 2047 is the right answer. That's it. That is a question came from the COA.